Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Style channel, and today we are diving deeper into the Python tutorial. At the last session we tell you about the list and make a question for you to exercise more about the list. The question is to divide the odd number from the list of numbers. Okay, let's do it. At first, we make the row code more complicated. We make a number and we gave me a number to the person that using the code to give us a number. Okay, in the next line, we create a code for x in range number list equal to list dot append number x. Okay, let me create list here, list equal to, okay, now print list. What we do just now is creating a list and putting numbers that the human giving to it. Okay, we in range number we forget something in syntax. Let me create it. Okay, for example 15. As you can see, it's create a list from 0 to 15. But we want from 1 to 15, not 0 to 14. Okay, let's make it. As you can see, it's gave a number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 15. Okay, now we want to make a list. Odd number and a list even number to divide these two kind of number. Okay, we write a if x. What this option do? It's let me just not use it now and or use it. Okay, let's use it. What it's do is give us the. Okay, let's write it. I give you a more example about this. Okay, now let's print the code. Keep 12. As you can see, it's divide the number. Let's make it more beautiful. Even number odd number. Okay, let's write it. Number print. Okay, let me give you an example about what this code do. Okay, let me write it. For example, print 10% 2. Okay, let me print 10% 3. As you might guess, it gives us the one thing. Okay, give me a little time. I make it fix some crashes. Okay, as you can see, it gives us the remaining of 10 divided by 3. Or let me take it 5. It must give the remaining of 10 divided by 5. As you can see, it's 0. This line of code divided the number by 2, and if the divided number by 2 is 0, that means the number is even. And it gives us it append the number to even number list. And if the number is odd, it appended to the odd number list. Let me describe something more about the list. We can remove some items from list, but by the comment let me create a list tool, and it has apple in it. Okay, we can list dot append, let's append banana, and we can remove something from list by this comment, remove apple. Okay, let's print list 2. As you can see, the apple removed from the list by the remove comment. You can use it. Don't forget to exercise more. I want you to, for the next station exercise, I give you a list of numbers in a line like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you must divide the list and you must divide the list to the odd number. I want you to delete the even number from the list. You must get the numbers by the input dot split, by the common input dot split, and then divide the number, delete the odd number, even number from the list, and print the remaining numbers. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. If you have anything to say, I will be happy to answer in the comments. Have a good night.